Vaelin here. I want to go over some simple slicer settings. These are just a couple adjustments that I have been using to print out all of my HueForges. And once you save these in your slicer, you're good to go as well. For this example, we're going to be using what you'll be seeing a lot soon with the weather warming up, is the motorcycle. And the reason why we're using this is because of the cutout shape. I'm going to show you how you can get that as well. Let's get to it. Here we are on the slicer. I'm using bamboo, but you can use Orca or any other slicer that you'd like. These are a couple adjustments that I've made that I've been using for all my HueForges, and I'm just passing them along so you can hit the ground running and get your prints printing. For our first set of values right here, layer height and initial layer height. Now these come directly from HueForge up here at the top. If you adjust these while making your HueForge, make sure to adjust them inside your slicer as well. Otherwise, you will see when it slices, the layers and stuff do not match. For the next setting, I did infill density. I set it to 100, and then I just chose a pattern that allows for 100%. And then I turned off the prime tower here so I can have the whole build plate to print on. Now you'll see here I have the motorcycle with this weird box around it. This is because I used the PNG in HueForge with no background, and when you bring the STL over, it still gets the image size, but not to worry, once you slice, it actually only will print your object. You may still see the shadow around here, don't worry, that will not print. And then from here, so you're fully set, these are where you will slice your layers that you get from HueForge when you set to different colors. Change them at every stop. There's a text file when you save your project that will tell you what layer to change to what, so no need to worry there. Once you get those going, slice it, and you're done. I told you these will be short, quick videos. Follow them and you're printing in no problem. Alright, see you in the next video.